Good job.
Yeah. One time when someone just touched, a girl just touched in their head and then on the blackout, and he was like,
Yeah.
Get startled. Buddy, can you move so she can have, please?
No, it's okay.
It's okay.
He's smart. Hi, Guti. That is not goat, the other one. This is a sheep. Hi, Gucci Gucci. Hi, Gucci Gucci. Don't touch the head.
Ang head niya, kitaplatin pa talaga yan mamaya. Okay, doon na kitaplat.
Oh, don't. Hi, this is beautiful one.
They are cute. They were headbutting each other the other day.
Oh, they have more there. Hi.
His eyes got real big. The room hurt.
Hi, Guti Guti.
He's looking for something. What are you looking for? The giant thorny
Walking stick.
walking stick. Oh, that's like him.
oh,
It's on top. You can see
Yeah, he's hanging from the top. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
What is that?
That's one of them.
Ah, beautiful.
This is the giant prickly stick. This
I saw some
Right here.
bugs in there.
right here at the bottom, you see that brown thing? That's right there, that one.
Ay, that's one too. Did you see?
Yeah.
The big one? Where? Ayan o, sa harap mo.
There's two of them.
Yeah, tapos nakasampay doon sa isa. Ito dayo. Ayan o.
yan siya?
Animal yan.
Two of them.
Ay, grabe yung sipon ko. In the Philippines when I was young.
And then over here is the spider right there. And then the centipede, he's under the wood. You see him under the wood?
for now.
Yes.
That one.
So this is the beetle.
Wait, it's not the
This is
centipede.
the centipede. Those are scary. Those are mean.
It's a big centipede.
They have all these.
Ow!
Toko. Gecko. Ayan.
I saw a snake.
What daw?
Oh my gosh. No, look at right here. You gotta get a picture next to that.
Parang buwayal. Ay, parang ano lang. Bayawak. Bayawak, no? Lahi ni bayawak. Maliit lang to. Blue tongue skin. It's hiding so well. Ay, kuna.
I could see it. I could see it. Let me go.
Ayun, sobrang liit.
It is in there. Sobrang liit. It is behind this tree.
Another gecko. Flat-tailed gecko.
They are poison.
Yeah.
You're leaving me.
Green. Ay, talaga lang. Uy, uy.
Then over here is the newt, and then back there are the other dart frogs.
Oh yeah.
That is a poisonous frog.
It's what is this?
Where's the orange frog? Ay, ayun yung orange frog.
Yeah, that
The
one.
orange frog is
Excuse?
there.